care this time or not. That is
everyone, and welcome back. So this week, today is Tuesday. Yesterday I spent most of yesterday doing admin stuff. Not much creativeness going on there, just lots of typing. But yeah, so I have ordered lights. So I've been having a problem trying to get the best pictures for like product photography type of stuff. Product pictures. Words are hard, but I have ordered lights. I don't know when they're going to come in. Hopefully it'll be soon because I want to retake a lot of pictures. Also, I'm going to put up the prints towards the end of this month. I didn't put them up because I couldn't get the right lighting for them. I couldn't get the right lighting for the cards either. There's a shadow and it was really annoying. So it was a thing, and I've ordered lights. So investing in the business is what I think they call that. Yes. What else have we done this week? Instagram. So because I'm now going to be taking more photos, I want to completely revamp Instagram. We're going to have a, what do we call it? Hello? We are going to make over Instagram, I think is the plan. I have been printing out things to kind of have our colors, I guess, our product colors, so they're all similar and it's gonna look a lot better on Instagram. I have been slacking with Instagram recently. Instagram was never something I really liked. I always feel that you have to bust your ass on Instagram and keep it going, or it just doesn't work for you. You've got to put in so much time. But I did really well last year and we got to about 400 followers, and then I've not really done anything. So we're going to revamp Instagram. Yes. Is there anything else I need to tell you? Oh, we actually applied to FAIR for wholesale. So we were accepted, which is awesome. But in the future, we are going to be selling wholesale as well. So if there's anybody out there that has a little shop, a small business, and they are interested in our stuff, it's going to be coming soon. So you can buy it from anywhere from 10 to 100, which is really cool. Just have to figure out the business side of it and where it is I find all these email addresses for companies that want our stuff. It's just so much admin stuff. Where did all the creativeness go? Anyway, I'm going to go do some work. I'm not quite 100% sure what. I do have some colours and things I want to test out for prints, and I'll probably catch up with you in a bit. So I have this box that I just showed you full of seconds things. So I'm thinking we might have a seconds sale. The last second sale went really well and it was a lot of fun as well. I've got a few little A5 prints here that can be cut and done as seconds. There's a green notepad as well as the pink in the sun and moon. And then I also printed these out. They've got a little mark on them here, like a little pink line, and there's a bit there as well. And I didn't notice this when I printed them out, and I don't know, there's at least 20 there. So they'll get made into notebooks for second sale as well. So we've got one pink, one green, and a bunch of purple ones in the sun and moon. And then this is another mushroom one that just needs folded and cut. So I think we'll have a second sale. Good plan, Steph, good plan. Okay, so this is what we've been working on with our new color palette that we're trying to work out a bit more here to make our Instagram feed a little bit prettier, but also have designs that kind of all work together. So I'm going to work more on this. I've got my little boards that I created to help with pictures and things. What else? This weekend I'd really like to get more work done on my elements piece, because at the moment it's still just sketches and ideas. No idea what it's going to look like in the future when it comes to colors. I know I don't want it to just be white lines like some of the other stuff that we've got, but it's quite exciting. And what I'm doing is really cool and creative. So we'll see how that comes along this weekend. But with that being said, thank you everyone for coming and hanging out. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and have a lovely weekend. We'll see you next time.